Good morning, man. Yesterday was a crazy bearish day. Market woke up to the market, gapped up almost $5, $6, and yesterday I took a beating. Yesterday I was 0 for 2 on the day on my trading day with a red day, about $500, I think. And yeah, man, I got caught up in that. I woke up in the morning. I was trying to short the market the whole entire day, and I was always early to the short. If I would have waited till it ran out of steam about 12:30, I could have got a nice short, but I was done trading by that time. I had went to the gym because I didn't want to take a third trade. So yeah, I tried to short the market twice yesterday, thinking that we done gapped up. Oh yeah, the bears are gonna step in, but it's looking like the market kind of wanna break out a little bit. After a strong day like yesterday, and then you wake up in the morning, market's breaking prior day high again. So we just breaking these levels now. So now it's going to either use it as support and try to push higher. So these was my levels from last night: 575.15, 574.66, 572.95, 572.40 as my mid levels, and my support was 570.15. Well, yeah, that was probably low. 570.87. I think it was like 570.20 or something like that. But those are the levels I was gonna watch going into this morning, and then I wake up in the morning, the market's done gapped up again. So that's telling me, market got some real strength behind it. Will I be chasing it up here? No. I would like for a pullback. I would like for a pullback. See if market can hold some type of support up here, and then try to go long for pre-market high or to push for 578s. That'd be the ultimate, but you know market can push up like it want to keep going higher, come back down, and then set up, and then push, open up, push right back on the prior day high, and then come back up, and then continue to trend down. But you just got to let the market tell you what it want to do. Like yesterday, I was I was trying to predict the market. I mean, sometimes you have to, but I was trying to fight. Literally, I was fighting that trend yesterday all day, and it cost me a down day. I tried to short it at open. It looked like the perfect setup at open to get short. Got squeezed out, and then I think I tried to short again at 73, and then it squeezed me to 74, 75, or 74ish, and then I got out. But the day I'm gonna go into the market with a little more patience today, take my trade, and try not to fight the trend, because obviously it's telling us that it wanna push a little higher this week and try to make a new high this week. I have 578, 579 as max high on the week for me, you know, up to that 580 range, and try to trade in between 580, 570, a start of yesterday's. Like that could be the new range for the week, I'm thinking. So maybe we go test this 579, 578 area and then sell a step in. But, we had that 10% correction and the market just coming with strength. So, I mean, we'll see. But my plan is to either catch the pullback and continue the trend, somewhere find some support and then continue to trend higher, or let the market make its move and then come back and try to use probably pre-market high as support, and then see if we can catch a nice continuation trade. But you wake up in the morning like this, and you see those prior day levels getting broke, then the market kind of want to continue higher. Like that's my mindset. But you just don't know when the pullback gonna happen and the buyer step back in. But it's telling me with the gap up again. So if it come back saying what we traded under, you see during the pre-market found support at my mid level, went up, broke prior day high. So the trend is kind of continuing to push higher now. That's what it's telling me. Came back, retest here, got in, bam. So we'll see. We're sitting back, waiting, being patient, letting the market tell us what they want to do. But ultimately, you want to kind of don't want to fight this trend. And if you do take a short, then possibly it's gonna get bought up fast. So you have to take your P's early. That's what I like to say, because it's looking like it's gonna be a bullish market this week. A lot of buyers are present, at least early, when we don't know when sellers will step in. But let's go to a higher time frame. So this 578.42 is next resistance where the market sold off. This was a prior day high before. 578.42 is 579. As you can see, it was also a pre-market high that got rejected too. Here, been resistance. Here, resistance, resistance, resistance. So see if that can still hold as resistance. If we can push up to that. As you can see, that's the level. Looking like it want to head up to that level. But just be patient. Don't chase anything. Wait to get the best price. Wait for a pullback, an opportunity to hop into the market to go long. That's what it's looking like it wants to do. So good luck to you guys. Let you know how I did on the day later.